Okay, question 10 is all about you solving simultaneous equations and using the elimination method to do it. So I have copied my equations across to some more paper because there's not enough room. Okay, so this is equation 1 and equation 2. Now I'm going to add these two equations together because my coefficients here are both 3. And one's positive and one's negative. So if I go equation 1 plus 2, 5x plus 2x is 7x, 3y minus 3y is 0, 9 plus 12 is 21. So 7x equals 21, x equals 3. I'm now going to substitute x equals 3 back into equation 1. The reason for that is because the y is positive and I want to find out why. So it becomes 5 times 3 plus 3y equals 9. 15 plus 3y equals 9. Subtract 15 from each side is minus 6. Y equals minus 2. So therefore the solution is x equals 3, y equals minus 2, or you could write it as brackets. Next one is 2x minus 3y equals 9, 2x plus y equals 13. Okay, done it again over here. This time round, my coefficients of x are the same. And because they're both positive, I'm going to subtract them. And I'm going to do equation 2 minus equation 1. Okay, so 2x minus 2x is 0. Y minus 3y is 4y. 13 take away 9 is 4. So y equals 1. I'm now going to sub that back into equation. I'm going to sub y equals 1 into equation 2. Okay, so 2x plus 1 equals 13. So 2x equals 12. X equals 6. Finish off your question. Therefore, the solution is x equals 6, y equals 1. Or you could have put, instead of this, 6, 1. Okay, just going to say C is nasty, okay? And I am going to do the solution to it, but it's very nasty and we don't need to get that nasty. Although in worded problems, you generally do have decimals and things, but then you've got a calculator. Something like this would generally be in a non-calculator section for a lot harder subject, but I'll do it anyhow. Okay, so what I'm looking for, if I've got to use elimination, is to get it so that I have coefficients the same value. I've got a 2 and a 3, or I've got to change this to a 3. So 1 by 3. Okay, let's multiply equation 2 by 9. You'll see why. A third times 9. Whoops, get it on the right thing, Mrs. P, is 3. So we have 3x. 9 times 3y is 27y. So 4 over 3 times 9 is 12. So it's minus 12. And that's equation number 3. Okay, you can just see I did a little bit of fractions over there. I know, fractions are our friends. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to subtract this one and this one. So I'm going to go equation 3 minus equation 1. So it's 3x minus 3x, which is 0. 27y minus 2y is 29y. Minus 12 minus 5 over 2, well that's 2.5, is minus 14 and a half. Now 14 and a half is the same as 29 over 2. Okay, so 29y equals minus 29 over 2, so y equals minus a half. As I said to you, getting hard. Once you've got that, substitute it back in. I'm going to sub y equals minus a half into equation 1, back up here. So 3x minus 2 times y equals 5 over 2. So this is 3x minus, well, plus 1 equals 5 over 2. So 3x equals, that take away 1 is 3 over 2. So x equals, that divided by 3 is a half. So therefore, oops, sorry, I ran out of room on you again. X equals a half, y equals minus a half. As I said, nasty. Don't get too concerned by that one.